Well, welcome to this video. Today we are headed to, we've been at Tombstone, and hopefully you saw that video, but we're on our way to Patagonia, Arizona. Wish we were on our way to Patagonia, but you know, it's a little far for us.
To drive directly.
Yes. So we're gonna head there, check out the town. I don't know if we'll go up to Patagonia Lake. Every time I go up there, there's such a long line of cars and you're just stuck in it. And it's full anyway, so you can't get in. So one of these days I'll see Patagonia Lake. But we're just going to go into the town, check it out, maybe get a little something to eat since it's lunchtime. And then we're off to a camp spot.
Outside Nogales.
Yeah, right outside Nogales. So we'll see you in Patagonia. Or if there's something interesting before that. All right. And we are coming into Patagonia. Our town is actually over here on the left. Not many cars, just some more over there. Go up here, turn around and take a look. Probably grab something to eat here.
Jovia. Never one to pass up a Mexican food restaurant.
They have a patio.
Ah, yes. Probably trigger friendly.
Let's see. Other than eating, we probably do a little walking around here. Scouting it out right now.
Yeah, we've driven through Patagonia. Yep, United Methodist Church. We've driven through Patagonia before and always said we needed to go through a little slower, take a look at what all there was. A nice little town. A woman was being towed by her dog in her wheelchair back there.
Variation on the dog sled. Very popular town, as you can see here on the motorcyclists and all the cars.
That's a cool building. Pizza place now, but I'm sure that's not what it was originally. Purple cactus.
Guy walking down the middle of the road.
Mm-hmm.
Is that an espresso bar?
It is.
Go around and check out much of it. Is that it?
Yes, it was Pancho Villas. Maybe we can go up one more block here and see if we see the post office. Hard to tell, so many places fly flags. Sometimes that's, evidence of where the post office is, but not so much anymore. Send my postcard off to the granddaughter. She loves getting these when we travel. She's only 6, so it's pretty exciting for her.
All right, we're signing off, and we'll see you in a bit.
See you soon.
Well, we decided not to walk around in Patagonia. It really just looked like it was mostly restaurants and such, so it didn't really seem to make a lot of sense. So we just decided to move on and head to camp. About 2 o'clock now. It's actually somebody's dinner time.
Didn't react to that, so that means he can wait.
We're headed to a camp spot called White Rocks. So we're just going to drive. I think we only have maybe 12 miles or so. So we'll see you there. And we'll see you there.
We'll see you there.
I turned the camera on because I thought the hills were kind of cool. I could see this rock formation coming up here. And it's got light on it, so you might be able to see the colors, unlike a lot of the other times. But this is driving from Patagonia. Actually, we'll go past Nogales. I don't know if we go through Nogales, or we go past Nogales.
And Nogales is a pretty big border crossing town.
You have to be real careful there because you can turn the wrong way and you gotta...
Then you're in the line.
You're in the line.
It's due south of Tucson, so it gets a lot of traffic.
Yeah, and Carol was saying that they had massive narcotics busts in the last couple days. Like, was it 30,000 fentanyl pills?
That's 40. Well, that
Or
was
40,000.
that was the one woman
Oh,
at
that-
30,000. The total was 47,000 fentanyl pills, but pounds and pounds of methamphetamines and
Cocaine.
cocaine.
600 pounds of cocaine.
Yeah.
See you at our border campground. All right, so we're getting very close to our camp now, but these mountains out in the distance, all there.
Mhm. Oh,
Yeah, I don't know how well you can see them out there, but
The road is fun.
the road is fun. Here we have a 180-degree turn right here. It really wasn't that far to the camp. I don't even think it was maybe 15, 16 miles, but we've been on 25-mile-an-hour roads, 35. We had a short stint of 50 miles an hour, and then we started dropping, and that went back to 25. I was actually hoping to hike here up canyon by where we're going to camp, but with my hip, I may not.
There's a picnic area down in there. See the lake from here way down. Campgrounds.
Now we go this way to our campground.
Upper White Rock.
We take our stuff?
Yeah.
We always come here and stay in the camp host spot.
Because we're off season and there's not a camp host in
there's
there.
never any camp hosts, and it's a nice
Nice level.
level, and I can't remember if we drive. I think we go up afterwards. And we just drive up, right?
Yeah.
Just drive up.
Not much of a view either way.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about leveling the truck. All right, so we're here. This is White Rock, Upper White Rock. So we'll check in as we go here. Try to get as close as I can here. We've actually seen a whole bunch of deer crossing the road right in front of us. Let me get pretty darn close. Sorry for the wind, guys, but I didn't have a mic set up. I'm just across the road from him now. Hello. Oh, there's boar down below. That's enough deer. Well, good morning. We're still here at Upper White Rocks. Still got down into 27 last night. For 9 days, that might be a record for us for cold weather. But I got some drone shots here yesterday. Still having issues with my hip, and so I didn't hike up. I wanted to hike up this canyon. Quite honestly, even after Tombstone, walking around all that time, I was pretty beat. This area right here, which is kind of interesting, it didn't happen this time, but we heard a helicopter quite a bit last night. We are, oh boy, not that many miles from the border. Nogales is just, we're just outside of Nogales. A long drive out of Nogales, but not so far as the crow flies. And I think, as we mentioned yesterday, they've had a lot of drug busts there, I guess, here recently. But it's gorgeous here. I mean, those rocks back up there, you know, behind me here. Yeah, this stuff, it's gorgeous here. But what I was going to say is that normally when we're here, this road that's right here that you come in on, that we came in on yesterday, is usually just, seems like every 5 minutes there's another border patrol car come down, and sometimes it's just the vehicle itself, and sometimes it's the vehicle carrying a trailer with the ATVs on it, or whatever, you know, vehicle they're using at the time. So we had hoped to make a montage of it, because normally, I mean, you know, sitting in an afternoon, you'll see about 15 or 20 of them go by, and we only saw, I think, 4 yesterday, and a couple of them stopped here. I don't know if they were having their lunch up here at the picnic table that's just up the way, but yeah, so it ended up we didn't get the action that we were hoping for. We were both kind of excited. We thought it'd be a great thing to play with some kind of funny music, you know, just watching the cars go by, but it's been relatively quiet. I didn't notice them in the nighttime. That's the other thing Carol had mentioned, is a lot of times, you know, they're going all night long, just up and down this road, with all these hills and everything, and so close to the border. But yeah, didn't hear them. Today we're going to head out to, actually we'll go up by Tucson, and we're going to end up in Ironwood National Monument, and we have a couple of stops to Macacary Mission. I've always thought the church was kind of cool, and I thought I'd go in and show you guys this church. I believe it's unfinished, but we'll have more data on that later. And then into the town of Tubac, which is kind of a tourist town, artsy-fartsy kind of tourist town. And then we'll go up into Tucson. We always get gas at Costco there. It's a lot cheaper. Kind of a special place we're headed to. We've camped in there. Oh, here we go. Here's a border patrol for you. Well, at least you got one. We got a couple on camera. We were holding our cameras in at the ready for them. But yeah, we've camped in Ironwood quite a few times, but this is kind of a special place, and I'm not sure you're allowed to camp there. I haven't seen any prohibitions, but they may have it posted on site. But we're gonna head out there this afternoon. So oh yeah, we have one other place we're gonna stop. I'll keep that a surprise. All right, guys, we'll see you a little later today. All right, bye.